Hello and welcome back to Random Fixes and Restorations. In this video, well, it's going to be a little bit different, like similar to, I guess, like one from a year or so ago. Just basically where I show what I've done, like in what I haven't done in a longer while. Basically a shop update, a quick one, and also so added all of these in May. This here too. Yep. Finally got myself a tool rack. Also organized a lot of stuff. Yep, this stuff has been here for quite a while. But also reorganized everything here. My tools, other stuff. But yeah, I'm going to make some more changes for sure. Some smaller changes basically. But yeah, this is basically my little workshop. Oh yeah, of course this is still kind of temporarily, because I'm going to move in probably a year. Get a bigger house with a lot more space for activities. Planning to build a nice big warehouse in my place, and yeah, want to have a really nice workshop. Also, next video I'm going to do is on pretty much a rebuild of an electromotor again. Yeah, the last one was pretty interesting. Seems like a lot of people also liked it. So I was like, hey, I'm going to just do a video just focused on like motor itself. This one here, actually I've got it from a juicer, like one of those big ones in which you can juice something like apples, carrots and stuff. Actually, it's funny because when I got that thing, it was pretty nasty, been out in the rain with some other junk, and it didn't work. So I was like, I'm going to take it apart because like a container part was missing, so basically it wasn't useful. I actually found out and sorted on a piece of cable here. Yeah, it's not my best work, but hey, it works. So basically this one here, this part here broke off from there, I guess. Was it? Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah, and I couldn't really connect it back. Then made it with a piece of cable. Yeah, it's working pretty good, but I feel some resistance there. But yeah, more on that I will show you in the video. Comes soon too. Also, I'm probably going to add some pics in here of what I've done during May. Besides all of this stuff, cleaning a lot of stuff up. I've done a post about my BMW. I had some problems with my headlights because of the state inspection, etc. Yeah, that was some fun, which wasn't planned. But yeah, done a full rebuild of both of those headlights, including installing a new foglight. Yeah, those headlight adjusters basically. Actually, I bought some more. Basically, those plastic parts, like one pair for each headlight. I actually bought me a set which got for 2 pairs. Yeah, price wasn't bad, and I was like, hey, I'm planning to get some more E39s down the road, so I was like, you know what, why not? Also, I didn't want it to stand there with like one broken one and have a problem. But yeah, I'm going to insert some pictures there. That was quite a hassle. Still better than spending $1,400 for a new pair. So, well, I'm going to pretty much cut it here, then go over to the garage. Also, I'm planning to do the diesel valve in July. Yeah, I'm going to end that here for a second and continue over in the garage. And we're in the garage. mighty, this is my mighty beloved E39 Touring. So basically I've done some cleaning up here too. I've added this garage shelf last August, almost a year ago. Added some stuff, added up there shelf. Yeah, over there there's still some junk. Gotta remove also. I bet some people know what that thing is. I gotta install it over on that side again. Yep, wheel well liner. This is basically the second one. First one I replaced, like that's my mechanic back in the day. Placed on both sides, like back in I guess like 2018 or something it was. That, but yeah, it's just some tools, a spare filter. There's some stuff like. I will probably, what I've planned, I want to use just this part of the shelf only for tools, for special tools, just for the E39, and yep, some other things too. And also, yeah, get me some ramps and other stuff and just work a lot more on this beast in my garage. So yeah, this is pretty much it. This is a little update here, everything. And of course the E39. Also, the headlights look a lot clearer right now because I've done a little bit of headlight restoration. Work on it. Yep, the cosmetic, but yeah, this is pretty much it for, well, what I can say is a vlog. And yep, there's a lot of stuff coming in the coming up months. But yeah, as always, one video a month. Also, you can probably hear it a little bit in the background. We're having a thunderstorm and also recording this at, what is it again, 10 p.m. Anyways, that's pretty much it. And I'll see you all next time on Random Fixes and Restorations with probably motor rebuild video and also the diesel valve. Then there's a PS4 video which is coming soon too, where I'm going to install a new SSD. And yeah, as always, like this channel is pretty much of me documenting what I'm doing in my life and like repairing. So it's not just one topic as always, so yep. But for those people who, of the 300 of you who are there since like early 2020, probably know it already. So anyways, I'll see you all next time. Random Fixes and Restorations.